If you want to use reversed wireless charging or power sharing on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down to the bottom until we'll find our battery section. Here it is. In our battery section, we gotta locate wireless power sharing and make sure to turn on this option. Now our phone is ready to charge, so to do that, I have to flip it over. So make sure that this back panel is clean. Sometimes it's better to remove the case before you're doing your charging because the signal may not work. Simply grab your phone and place it on the center of your Samsung phone. So now, as you see, it works properly and our phone is getting charged. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.